Okay, so I've just received this from KF Concept. It's their square filter system. It's their pro system, and I've been quite excited to receive this, and I'm not disappointed, I'm going to tell you. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing video for you. First impressions, yeah, packaging's really nice. Really nice bit of packaging. I love the little magnetic catch on the box. I think that's a really classy touch. As you open it up, again, not disappointed. Greeted with this lovely little leather case, or leatherette case, should I say. Let's just take it out of the box. It's quite snug. We'll just pop the box down there. Okay, again, you've got like a magnetic catch. Keep everything safe and secure, which is nice. You've got a little Velcro strap at the back with a hook. So, yeah, again, really nice. So far, I'm really impressed with the quality of the stuff from KF. So let's open it up, and inside here we've got these little compartments, which are great. Let's take out our filter holder. Now, I must say, a lot of these I've used in the past have been plastic, but this is actually metal. I'm really impressed with the build quality. It's nice. It's solid. It's sturdy, which is nice. Then let's have a look at some of the filters. So we're going to start off with a polarizer. So again, circular polarizer. What can I say? Again, lovely little bit of glass. Feel the weight to it. It does feel quality. Now this just pops in here. So you just pop it in there, locks down, and that's safe and secure. And then this just clips on to the front of your lens. Oh, don't drop your camera, Steve. On your front of your lens, you've got a little clip on the side there. You can see that. I just clipped on and off. Okay, and then you can tighten it up to secure it into the position that you want. And then all you do is undo it, and it comes off lovely. You've also got this little wheel on the side. All that does is rotate the polarizer, the circular polarizer in there, to give you the desired effect. So that's really nice. Let's have a look, see what else we've got in here. On this particular system, we've got a, oh, this is nice as well, I love this. This little just pops up and you reveals all your filters in there. So in this system, you've got an ND. Okay, so that's a 10-stop ND, the ND1000. So that's good if you really want to slow down them waterfalls or the waves, flatten out the water. And all that does is just slip in. Oh, it's easier to do when it's attached to your camera on a tripod, of course. And just slides in like so. Again, really impressed with the quality of the glass. Really nice product. What I like about this is you can mount more than one filter on there. So you also get your soft grad. Now, I wouldn't go anywhere without one of these, especially if I'm going to go do some seascapes. This is brilliant just for softening down the sky, for if you've got them bright skies. And again, you just pop that one in there. I love the fact that it's oversized. You can move it up and down and get the desired effect that you like. I must say, KF, I am super impressed with this bit of product. And at the moment, I think they've got them on sale. It's only $249. So I really do think that is good value for money for the quality of the system. I'm impressed. I'm really looking forward to going out and using this in the field. You also get 4 mount rings that obviously attach to the front of your lens. I've got the 67 on there. You get a 67, a 82, 72, and a 77. Yeah, so most lenses are covered there, and I'm sure you can get step-up rings if you need them, or step-down. So what can I say? Yeah, well done, KF. I think that's a quality bit of kit. They are going to be sending me a discount code, so if you do require one of these or any other products from KF, then if you just go down and have a look in the link, hopefully there should be a discount code there for you to use. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.